Good afternoon, it's Jilly Q from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with hopefully a little bright and cheery tropical kind of pour I felt like doing today on this canvas. So I pre-mixed up my colours and I will just explain as I go along. So I hope that I'm finding you guys all safe and well and feeling good. And if you've been creating, then all the better. So thank you so much for joining me. And thank you guys for the ones that I've had new subscribers lately. I sounded as though I'd had a few drinks when I said that, but I haven't. So yes, thank you. So they're all my Mont studio acrylics. And I'm going to actually leave some negative space today. Those that know me are probably saying, no, she won't do it. But I'm going to try very hard to leave some negative space today in this little, I hope it kind of looks Hawaiian. I'm just feeling fruity. Is that the word? Feeling fruity, Hawaiianish, bright and all that stuff. So we'll see how we go. I'm in a weird mood. Yes, I'm in a weird mood. So I'm just spreading my phthalo blue around the place. I won't worry too much about the edges until I've finished. Sometimes you end up blowing over the edges anyway, so but it's not what I intend doing on this particular pour. But you could either use your fingers to spread this around, or you can just use your spatula as I'm using at the moment. It's quite therapeutic, just merrily going along on your way, doing your art lab day, or your art therapy, should I call it, because it definitely is therapeutic when you're just in your own space and your own time doing something that gives you joy. So I absolutely recommend it, and if you haven't tried it, please do so. It is thoroughly worth it. Very cheap therapy, I believe. So I haven't done any measurements and getting it exactly right, or because that's just not how I like to do things. So I am currently trying, I've been sent for, I won't mention any names, to try this acrylic paint binder. I'm told it kind of acts like Floetrol does. So this is a complete test for this particular binder. I've mixed my paints as I normally would with that binder and added some extra water because it kind of sent my paints a little bit thick. So I've just added some water as well to it. So it's a complete test. I have added 2 drops of Helmar silicone in all of my paint colours. I'm not sure if I was recommended I use silicone, but I thought I do want to get some kind of cell action. So it's just seeing if this paint binder, what kind of job this does. And obviously it might be something new to try if it's good, or I want to give an honest opinion of what I think of a product that sent me to try. I want to give an honest opinion. So that's the yellow, and that was the starts with the M, Viridian green. That one was Viridian. And this one is the crimson. So they're kind of really nice, bright, cheerful colours. This is I need to add a little bit of water to this because that's become a little bit thicker. So just add a little bit of water. Try and get it the consistency that I don't want it too thin, and I certainly don't want it too thick. So see how this goes. The only thing that isn't mixed with that binder is the phthalo blue, because that was pre-mixed in my... I'd already got that pre-mixed, so I'm not sure if that's going to make a difference to how the experiment using this will come out. I'm not quite sure. To be sure. So, and this is the lovely orange, and I always add a nice dash of the yellow in the orange. It kind of even brightens it further, as if orange isn't bright enough. I have to brighten it a bit further. Oh, okay, oh well, never mind. So look at those lovely bright colours. Just going to give this a little tilt. It's really just to make sure all of these brightly coloured band that I've got in the centre covers all of my canvas. It's not keeping any special shape, I just want that band down the centre, because I'm going to try and blow. I'm going to do kind of kiss and blow. So I'm going to, well no, a blow and a kiss. Blow a kiss, blowing a kiss, whatever is the best way. So just taking it nice and slowly, not, yeah, no hurry, remember, your art room, your way, your art therapy session. Just finger pop in the very ends just to get some paint over the edge of my canvas, but it's all things that you can just work slowly on doing. I've got over the edge there, I can't see it, but you guys can. I was told by somebody a comment that you should go and look at the side that your viewers are looking at, because sometimes your product is excellent and then I go and spoil it because I can't see what you're seeing. So that's what I was told. So it said you should take a look at it before you do anything any further, and that is, yeah, that's probably what I should do. I am got my stainless steel straw that has a bendy bit, but I'm using it the other way to blow just the very edges out. Ugh. Okay, give it a twizzle, twizzle, turn it around. It's just a bit easier for me to do that way. Wipe off my paint that I've got just about everywhere. Ah, oh, gosh. Okay. Wowzers. Got an itchy nose. That usually means a surprise. I hope it's a good one. I actually like the yellow in the blue. That's okay. Now, it may be a good, because I'm going to sort of balloon roll in the center, it may be a good time to just leave that for about 20 minutes for the paint to absorb into the canvas, and you get some, I find you get far better balloon embellishments when you do that. So I'll see how the first couple of balloon kisses do, and if I think it needs leaving, then I'll walk away and leave it for a little while, but I will give it a little go over with my little heat wand, get rid of any air bubbles. So now I have got a bigger balloon, but I'm thinking that probably needs my just this size balloon. I put a bit of water in to give it a little bit of weight. You can use air, that's absolutely fine. Personal choice. I like a little bit of water in because it seems to give it a little bit of weight. I'll just try this bigger one. Probably is not the go though, but I'll just try it. See, I should be using that. Okay, I will. I'll use this other canvas to balloon kiss. So you can use, you ought to see the detail in that. I'll try and get you close. Can you see the detail in that? Gorgeous. So I'll leave that little canvas there to transfer my kisses over. That hasn't melded really nicely because the paint needs to dry off a bit. So I'll just go merrily along on this other canvas and see what I can get out of it. So to just hold the belly button of the balloon and give it a nice, it's quite firm because there should be plenty enough paint there to not take paint off the canvas below. I think this absolutely definitely needs leaving for a little while. Under normal circumstances I would like to leave it, but because I'm doing a video for you, I'll push on and see how we go. I think I might just do, now I've just done those kisses over it, and I'll come back and I will embellish it further. But I just want to show you these kisses that I've got on my other canvas, which is there. So that's just pushing the balloon. You can even do the sides of your canvas with your balloon kisses. So that's quite pretty too. So that's kind of done a whole nother canvas there, but that looks quite nice already. But I know that when the paint has dried a little bit further, I can get some nicer looks in that, and then I'll use the small balloon. So we'll just leave that for 20 minutes or so. See you in a jiffy. Really happy with that one. That is just lovely. I've left some negative space. Do I get brownie points for leaving some negative space when I don't normally leave negative space? I love it. It's really nice. It's effective. It's colourful. Makes me feel good, and that's what you should aim for, something that gives you joy. So until tomorrow, people, please join me tomorrow and see what I have it in line for you. Hopefully I've got different things. I will have a different thing every day. So until tomorrow, bye for now. Please take care of yourselves. You have to take care of yourself before you're able to care for others. So hang in there, people. And until tomorrow, bye for now.